Question number 16. How many numbers between 99 and 1000, both excluding, can be formed such that, first part, every digit is either 3 or 7. Either 3 or 7. So, between 99 and 1000, only 3-digit numbers will be there. So, first part, every digit is either 3 or 7. So, only two ways I can fill this. Only two ways I can fill this. Only two ways I can fill this. So, by multiplication principle of counting, 2 into 2 into 2. So, 8. How many numbers? 8 numbers can be formed when every digit is either 3 or 7. 8. Second part. There is no restriction. There is no restriction. So, this space I can fill by, how many digits are there? 10. 10. 0, so 10. First digit I can't take 0. That's why from 1 to 9, so 9 digits. 9 into 10 into 10. So answer is what? 900. Answer is 900. Third part. No digit is repeated. No digit is repeated. So how will I write? No digit is repeated. Here I can't take 0. So only 1 to 9. 9 choices are there. No digit is repeated. So let I am taking 1. So 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So again 9 choices are there. Apart from 1, if I am taking 1 here, apart from 1, 9 choices are there. And no digit is repeated. So here 8 choices are there. So by multiplication principle of counting, how many numbers? 648. 9 9s are 81. 81 into 8, 648 numbers you can form. Fourth part. The digit in hundreds place is 7. This is 1's place, that's 10's place, that is 100's place. The digit in hundreds place is 7. 100's place is 7. So this is fixed that only one way you can fill this. So here it will be 10 into 10. 10 ways 0 to 9. Here also 0 to 9. Only at hundreds place it is 7. So one way it is fixed that it will be 7. But here 10 choices are there from 0 to 9. Here also 0 to 9. So by multiplication principle of counting, you can make how many numbers? 100. Now fifth part. The digit in tens place is 7. The digit in tens place is 7. This is units place, this is tens place, this is hundreds place. Tens place is what? 7. It means this is one way only. Here you can make how many choices? 10 choices, 0 to 9. But this hundreds place I can't take 0, so only 1 to 9. So 9 choices are. So by multiplication principle of counting, 9 into 1, 9, 90 numbers you can form when the digits in tens place is 7. One number is fixed here. So one way only you can fill. Only you can write here 7. So only one way is there. Here you can make choices from 0 to 9. So 10 choices are there. But you can't take in hundreds place 0. That's why 9 choices are there from 1 to 9. Sixth part. The digit 7 does not appear. The digit 7 does not appear at any place. The digit 7 does not appear at any place. 7 does not appear at any place. 7 does not appear at any place. And 0 I can't take here. So 2 digits are gone. So out of 10, only 8 digits. Here 7 I can't take. But apart from 7, anything I can take. So total 10 digits are there, so only 9 here also. So by multiplication principle of counting, see what is written. The digit 7 does not appear at any place. Here 7 can't come, here also 7 can't come, here also 7 can't come. But apart from 0, anything can come from 0 to 9. Here also 0 to 9. So 9 choices are there. But here I can't take 7 also and 0 also I can't take. That's why it is choices are 8. So 8 into 9, 72. 72 into 9, 648. Now seventh part. The digit in units place is 7. The digit in 1 minute. Digit in the digit in units place is 7. So one way it is fixed. The digit in units place is 7. Here how many choices can be there? 10. And first here I can't take 0. So 1 to 9, so 9 choices. So by multiplication principle of counting, how many numbers you can have? 90 numbers you can form when the digit in units place is 7. So 90. First answer is 8, second answer is 900, third answer is 648, fourth answer is 100, fifth answer is 90, sixth answer is 648, seventh answer is 90. Now part 8. Part 8. What is written? At least one of the digit is 7. At least one of the digit is 7. So how will you find? How will you find how many numbers you can form when at least one of the digit is 7? So you write total numbers you can form minus at least one of the digit is 7. So minus total numbers when digit 7 does not appear, when digit 7 does not appear at any place. How will you find? At least one of the digit is 7. So what is the opposite of that? At least one of the digit is 7. Total number when digit 7 does not appear at any place. If I do total number I can form without any restriction, minus total number when digit 7 does not appear at any place. At least one of the digit is 7 means what? All can be 7. Opposite is what? Digit 7 does not appear at any place. So total number, how will you form? 3 digits. So here 10 choices are there. Here also 10 choices. Here only 9 choices because I can't take 0. Minus when digit 7 does not appear at any place. 7 does not appear means only 9 choices are there apart from 7. Here also only 9 choices are there. And here 7 also can't appear at any place. And 0 also can't appear. So only 8 choices. So 9 times are 90, 90, 900. Minus how much? 648. So how much? 250. 252 numbers you can form when at least one of the digit is 7. Thank you.